Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe if you like what you're getting ready to see. Alright, so I need to do my social media plan for this week, and I'm going to try to do this one real quick. I'm not going to try to take up too much of anybody's time. That was a cute spread and I didn't even use it. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? Ooh, it was cute. Okay. So, I should have grabbed one of these before I started filming. Got one of my little checklists that I've made over here. I'm just going to go ahead and pop that in after I white out this first box. That to buy, the errands, and all of these dots. I just got an idea. Because this fit? It does. Oh, I forgot to tell you what I was using. I'm still in my Spoonful of Faith big sticker book. Yeah, I'm still here. But I wanted to see if there was... You know, no, that's fine. That's fine. Y'all, I just thought I filmed a whole video, right? And listen to what I'm saying. I thought I filmed a whole video. Y'all, my memory was card was full. So the whole time I thought I was filming, it wasn't recording anything. So that's a sabotage. Is that my toilet? Today is not the day that this is supposed to be taking forever. There we go. I mean, golly gee, Becky. I'm just going to try to line this up, as always, with the corner. Oh, that's cute. Gave it just enough of a background. Yes, ma'am. We like... Okay. So, that's going to be our video list. And then... Oh my gosh. A mosquito bit me, you guys. And it is... I accidentally... You know when you have a mosquito bite and you forget that you have the mosquito bite? I accidentally rubbed it up against something. And now it is itching like crazy. Okay. And then I wanted to put this down here in the middle. I think that's cute. I'm actually probably going to leave that focus there for today. And then over here, just because one, I have the sticker left on my sticker graveyard, plus there's some pinkish colors poking through on this spread. So I'm going to put this right in here. And remember, this sticker book is sized for the big, but I always say you can use stickers however you want to use them. So that covers up that box. Now, I don't have very much decor that I want to put down. I just need this to be functional. So we got that. And then I want to put this quote, but I don't even know where. Do I want to put it right here? I don't know. That quote might not make it. It might end up going in a mini or something. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I think those are gonna end up being in a mini. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna put my stickers down for the days that I'm going to have a post. And we know 9 times out of 10, every Sunday I'm going to post a video. I'm just trying to butt it up as close as I can to Sunday without. I have a Sunday video. I'm gonna have one go up on Monday. And then I might move this here. I'm gonna switch this Sunday one out because I'm gonna have a video post Saturday as well. So, and when I put these boxes down, I just put them down for the ones that I know for sure I'm going to post. Like, they're pretty much in the routine of things. So I put this one on Saturday. I'm going to cut it. Go ahead and pull that off. Oh. Shoot. Shoot, I don't think I needed to cut this one. Have on Monday. Usual Wednesday didn't end up cutting that because I'm gonna have to put something else for that one. Actually, yep, I'm gonna put a video up on Thursday. That's what I'm gonna do. And I already have the one in mind. I won't film it until Wednesday, but that'll work. And that still gives me videos, 4 videos this week. And for those of you who are new to my channel and this is your first video that you're watching with me, I usually try to boast, really? Let's see, let me get this together. Just have to use that dark blue one. I usually try to post at least 3 times a week. It may be more, it may be less, but in general, that's usually how much I try to post. So I went and got another colorful box. But this week is the end of the month, and it's a payday week, and I definitely want to get back to my budgeting videos. I want to get back to budgeting, period, but I want to get back to filming the videos too, because that's my little my way of having accountability. So I have a little bit more to film and do. Than usual. That one's a little jagged, but it's okay. And we're pretty much done. That's it. Only other thing I wanted to do is I'm gonna take this 0.5 and up here. Scratch this paper. Okay. I don't know. I don't think it came out good enough, but I have Instagram, and then whatever post I end up putting up for Instagram, I'll have in that box. And then the rest of my postings. And as far as bullet points, I don't know. So I want to use the ombre ones like I used in my, I think we are going to just use the ombre ones. Kind of don't want to. I kind of wish I just had some black dots that I could use. I'm going to use my gray mild liner to give me some checklists. Ooh, it's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be, but it'll work. Sundays I don't usually do anything. Okay, and then as far as over here, let that little bit go. I love these little pages. I said this was gonna be quick. And here I am. Okay, wait. There. Put this gold back. I'm gonna grab this black one. And then grab this black where it says habit tracker. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use habit tracker up here. I know I was going back and forth for a minute, y'all, sorry. Then put goals over here. I put that down so crooked. Okay, that's a little bit better. Goals, bada bing, bada boom. So, because now I have that empty and I don't really have anything that I necessarily want to put there. So I'm just gonna look for, there's like all kind of clear, pretty stickers. I think I'm gonna use her with the Keep Dreaming, and then I'm going to grab I'm just gonna put a few of these flowers down. This is why you pull all this type of stuff up, because none of these stickers were trying to come up, and I want them. Okay. Okay, just a few. And here is our spread for August 23rd to the 29th, 2021, and our social media planners. Please like, comment, share. Oh my gosh, it was all out of frame. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. On the road to 500 subscribers, y'all. Share, 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 share. Bye now.